Yeah, my name's Hiran Silva. It's always been that. I've been using spreadsheets since early 80s. And before Excel, Microsoft had another spreadsheet called Multiplan. Because the first spreadsheet you could have more than one sheet, and that's why it was called Multiplan. So I used that in my work, and I did rather well with it because I could do things with it that other people couldn't do with anything else. At the time, made a lot of difference. In the 90s, I continued that, and then I started consulting. I started working with companies and doing this same kind of thing. And what I'm trying to do now is to bring everything I learned and share it with younger people, the next generation, and the one after that. What I found with Excel, or working with Excel, and working with processes, not spreadsheets or tasks, but processes, the bigger picture, is that we could do things that couldn't be done any other way. That's making processes more efficient.
Yeah.
And the way that spreadsheets have been used, still are, I'm talking about 20 years ago, but still it's actually even worse now, I think, because people are thinking in terms of like silos, like their work, and the spreadsheet is their work.
Yeah.
So they email spreadsheets to each other and so on. So what I started doing 25 years ago, it seems like a long time ago, doesn't it? Is that I found that I learned things that I used when I was in corporate life, and I learned how to apply them to other companies, the companies that I didn't work at, but I was consultant. And by doing that, and this is a fun thing, because this is the thing I'm trying to promote, is that my value went up, which is with the same client, which is very unusual for the same company to pay you more money next week than they're paying you this week. So I did that with several companies. I'm not saying like twice, like the first company was 7.5 times what they hired me at. I've made the entire information process more efficient and people happier.